wala akong paprito.
Prito saan?
Ayun nga, oh, yung rubber na yun. Lalagyan kong spinach mamaya. Ay, olive doon. Baby oil.
Si BBM. Okay na. Wait lang. Pero nalakihan ko today. Hello mga Mari kong expat. Expat pa.
Dapat kasi may maliit tayo na rolling pin eh. Yung may hawakan ba? Yung laro ng mga bata noon. Nasaan na yun?
Nandun sa taas yung kay bakla.
Pang ganun lang oh.
Hindi, yung parang roller yung gaya sa damitan ko. Yun, ang postura. Ang ganun, rolling pin. Ang nandun kasi, ganito din yun.
Pero maliit.
Na. Nakunsi naman eh. Pag naluto to siya ba? Basag. Basag to siya pag naluto. Ang luto.
Ganun na lang oh. Oh, ba't basag to? Tapos, hiwaan mo lang ng 4.
Dito pa siya maganda.
Kunti lang malalagay mo dito. Ang lalaki din naman itong bilog-bilog ko.
Kasi may parang siya. Tapos i-twist natin. Yan. Yan. Okay. Dapat dito yan. Apat lang.
Yun na, dyan ka kumuha.
Ano pala to?
Panchis ko yan.
Serif.
Pwede mo muna natin kasi
show. Shout out guys, welcome to my live. Oh, nagamatag tinapay. So pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, gagawa ako ng tune. Tapos ihati. Yan. Bawat hati ay 8 piraso. Ano? Bawat hati ay 4. Yun. So maganda to siya. Kasi malaki ang roll niya. Yun. Yan. Ang galing ko. So, madilim siya. So, ganito. Lagyan natin. Wala, marami siya, guys. O, diba? Cheese pa rito. Cheese. So, ganito kasi yan. Yan. Ganito kasi yan. Magawa. Lagyan natin ng isa-isa. Yan. Yan ang cheese. Cheese patayer. Yan. Ha? Nabalik man siya. Hirap ng buhay pare. Yes. Ha? Buksan mo nga. Mahal kamay ko. Ako daw, ha?
Yes, let me tell you.
It's not time to get back to the first Touch.
What?
Wait, you're not fasting?
No.
Why?
I don't want to. What? What? You have period.
She doesn't know me.
No.
She's not yet.
No, I'm not old like you guys.
Yani, you started to own.
Are you Arab?
Ya Allah, tuta.
I say yeah.
When the start the Ramadan, you're very excited.
Yeah, must be the first time of them.
Okay, people can change, you know. It's been 20 days. People can change, you know. There's people that change. Not just stay like that for the rest of their lives.
But
Sing.
it's almost done. Ramadan,
Think you bomber class. You bomber class. You don't even know what that means because you're not Jamaican.
Yani, you're Jamaican.
Yeah, at least I know how to say bomber class. You get it?
What do you want? Go away.
Oh, you just cook it?
Cook it.
No.
What? What is that?
The Thai fry.
Hindi.
The Thai fry.
Fry only.
Yeah.
Okay, you do it.
Sabay din naman yung dyan.
Ha?
Isabay din.
No. Give me this shit.
Where's the tissue? Where's my tissue?
Fuck.
Hey, shut.
There's a food fuck.
Go away. Give me one. I want one here.
No.
Okay, give me. Musa, you're playing.
I'm squeezing it out. I don't have to take it out. Oh my god. I heard that. I heard you say
How
that.
did you do that?
I heard you say that. I swear you flipping bumble clap. And you lie to you know what that means? Because if you know what that means, I'll be fucking dead.
Diba, maganda pag ganito, please. O, tignan mo. Oh.
Ah, it's...
Oh. Please. Oh, pag i-roll mo. Ay, oh, tignan mo.
I want to teach me how. Teach me how you bumble clap.
Bubo ka!
You said it wrong, you stupid.
Ang pastry pala tong isa.
How you go like this?
Meh.
Show me then.
Okay, do like this. Just cover it first.
Oh,
Cover it all.
Wait.
Ay, kinain sa buka. Ila, slowly cover. Don't pull it out because it's easy to broke. Iwa. The other side, cover side by side. You always eat, you did not cover.
I covered the jar.
See, like that. Okay. Roll. Slowly to pull it. Aywa. Slowly, but it will be break. Good job, my bro.
Look.
Okay, good.
See, I'm better than you. I'm a pro.
Mashallah, mashallah.
Is we fucking on? I got it. Oh, get me on the spot. Stuck here.
It's better to do like this than you're always watching your movie.
No. At least I have a gap. At least I have a bunda. You ain't got shit. That's all just fat.
So
You're
guys,
fat
say
self.
hello. Shout out to everyone.
Shout out me for helping.
Shout out me for me. Then thank you to Chan.
No, don't shout out me, Bumble Club. If we fucking out, I got it.
Apil-apil ulit pataan eh. Hala, apil. Make sure that you cover it properly.
No.
Gagawin yan.
Ipapastel pala yung isa.
If we fucking out, I got a little me on the spot.
O hindi pwede. Iyan muna, parang baka parehas lang yan.
Bakit? Oh.
Ano bang itsura?
What's this?
Papastel.
Papastre.
Hindi oh. Ayan, pilo pastel. Ganyan, ganito.
I got a hold of me on the
Iron mo
spot.
to.
I got it.
Pwede yan.
Bring them on camera. No, flipping cause
Tapos,
lay your ass down.
Ganun mo sa rule ba? Para manipis siya. Nipisin mo. Ganun sa isa.
I got a hold of me.
Toots.
No.
Siya nang gumawa.
I'm not better than you.
Wait. Finish. Let me finish. And then you do it. Okay. Wait. Wait, because there's more. We're gonna okay, finish that one. And I'll make the hot cook. Okay, and I'll make this too. So. Galing na siya. Very good. Oh, you did not cover. Cover side by side. What I...
madam, this one is different. This is papastel.
There, look, I covered her by
Okay, lang. Hamas, this one make like the quiche we always do. With this one. Quiche, the quiche. The one we
Oh,
eat,
look.
the pastry.
I make all this.
Hello.
The Pyrex.
I'm better than them.
Ilan, finish. I'll keep it till tomorrow. Make it a shakara. You make a lot today. Because we will try Monday. Ilan, do it this way.
I'm making bombo clouds.
Because I need more.
No, you're not making. No, I'm making the last one.
Huh?
You do the last one. I want to do this.
No, this one is hard.
No, I want to flatten.
Love it. Wait, let me finish this one. Put the flour.